Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a lanyard onto a device. It could be a smartphone or handheld electronic device. Today I have this very cool portable fan. It's actually a misting fan, but I'm not here to test this out. I'm going to show you guys how to install the lanyard. Okay, so what you want to do is hold it and then loop it into one of these openings right here. So from the outside, and then I am going to insert it inside the hole. Push it through. Get that. And then what you want to do is loop it out on the other opening. Pull that out. And then you want to take the rest of the handle, insert it through the loop, so that way you're effectively closing out the loop. And there you have it. Easy to use and carry around, just like that.